Hello, Chi. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Happy Friday. Hello. How are you today, my dear? How are you today? Hmm?
I'm fine.
Wow, that's great, my dear. Did you eat your lunch?
Yes. Ủa,
Oh, hmm?
teacher đang ăn á.
Can you say it again? Yes, I eat lunch.
Eat.
I ate my lunch. Can you say that one, my dear?
Teacher just eat now.
Yes, I'm eat lunch. Very good, my dear. How about what did you do yesterday? Why are you so busy?
Ờ.
Did you have a homework?
Homework
Yes,
có hả?
yesterday
Có
because
hả?
you are busy yesterday. So what did you do?
What? Có bài tập hả các môn?
What did you do yesterday?
Ờ.
Why are you busy?
I went to work yesterday.
Hmm? Can you say that again, my dear? I went
I went to work yesterday.
grocery.
Work.
A work. Oh, do you have a work? Mm, a work?
Yes.
Oh, wow, that's great, my dear. Can you say that again? I have a work.
Okay.
Can you say that one, my dear? I have a work. I have a work. Can you say that one, my dear? Yes. Yes, very okay.
I have a work.
Yes, very good. So, what what is your work, my dear? Your work. What is your work, my dear? What's that?
I work at a coffee.
Coffee?
Coffee.
I can say that again. It's
Coffee.
coffee.
Yes, I work as a bartender.
Oh, wow, that's great. I love coffee. Okay. I work at I can you say that again? I work at coffee shop as
Yeah.
a um as a what did you work at coffee shop? You are what?
Bartender.
I work at coffee shop. Can you say that one, my dear?
Oh. Okay.
Can you say that one? I work at coffee shop.
I work at coffee shop.
Can you say that one, my dear?
I work at coffee shop.
Yes, very good. That's nice, my dear. That's great,
Teacher,
my dear. That's great, my
teacher,
dear. Yes?
how old are you, teacher?
Hmm?
Teacher, how old are you?
Oh, wow. I'm okay, my dear. I'm fine and great.
Great.
Thank you for asking.
How old are you, mom?
What did you eat, my dear? What did you eat?
Uh, uh, I eat rice with pork.
Oh, wow. That's great, my dear. So did you drink did you drink plenty of water, my dear?
Yes.
Wow, very good, my dear. Are you ready for our class for today?
Uh, ready. I'm ready.
Oh, wow, that's great, my dear. So,
Oh,
um, all right. I want to share my screen to you. Yes. Can you see my screen, my dear?
yes.
Did you see? Yes, very good. Okay. We have here we will continue our lesson about time. Okay. This is, my dear, this is the days of the week. What is this, my dear? Can you please read this one?
Day of the week.
Very good. That is day of the week. So can you please read this day?
Monday.
Very good. How about this?
Tuesday.
Can you please read it again, my
Tuesday.
dear? Tuesday.
Tuesdays.
Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Very good. Good job. How about this
Tuesday.
one?
Wednesday.
Very good. How about this one?
Thursday.
Very good. How about this one?
Friday.
How about this one?
Saturday.
And then,
Sunday.
very good. Good job. What is this, all of this, my dear? This is the,
Weekday.
yes, weekday or day of the week. Very good. Good job, my dear. Okay, I have a question for you. What is the day today? What is the day of the week today?
Này.
It's
Friday.
very good. It's Friday. Good job, my dear. All right. Next. All right. We'll have a talk about vocabulary about holidays. Do you like holidays, my dear? Do you like the holidays? For me, I like holidays. When I was study, I like holidays because I don't go to school.
Okay.
Okay, all right. This is the vocabulary, my dear, about holidays. Can you please read this one? What is this?
New Year.
Yeah, very good. How about this one?
National Day.
Very good. How about this one? What is this, my dear? What is this? What is that, my dear?
Easter.
Very good. Easter. Very good. How about this one?
Christmas.
Very good. How about this one?
Uh, April Day.
Can you say that again? April Fool's Day.
April Fool's Day.
Very good. How about this one?
Valentine's Day.
How about this one?
Thanksgiving.
Can you say that again? Thanksgiving.
Thanksgiving.
Very good. How about this one?
Halloween.
How about this one?
Mother's Day.
How about this one, my dear?
It's National Women's Day.
Can you say that again?
It's National Women's Day.
Can you say that again? International.
It's National.
Very good. How about this one?
It's National Workers' Day.
Very good. How about this one, my dear?
Remembrance Day.
Very good. How about this one?
Teacher's Day.
Yes. How about this one, my dear?
New Year.
This one.
Kitchen.
Guardians.
What's one more time?
Kitchen guardians. Can you say that again?
Kitchen.
Guardians.
What?
Guardians.
Brunches.
Very good. How about this one, my dear?
Mid autumn. Festival.
Can you say that again, my dear? Mid-Autumn Festival.
Mid autumn. Festival.
Very good. How about this one?
Festival.
How about this one, my dear?
Days. Commemorate. Trời ơi, nó dài.
Commemoration.
Commemoration.
Very good. Commemorations.
Days. Commemoration.
Can you please read in complete sentence, my dear? Hong Kong's commemorations.
Showcase commemoration.
Very good. Good job, my dear. All right, next. Okay, my dear, can you please, I will ask you a questions and then answer this, okay?
Okay.
All right. Number one, what time do you wake up? What time do you wake up?
Bạn đường thế. Okay.
What time do you wake up, my dear? What time?
I get up. I get up at 10 a.m.
Oh, I get up
Bạn đường đó.
At 10 a.m.?
Yes.
All right, very good. Can you please, I wake up. Can you please say, oh no, my dear.
Oh.
Can you please say, I wake up at 10 a.m. in the morning?
I am.
Can you say that one, my dear?
I wake up at 10 a.m. in the morning.
Very good. How about this? How about go to bed?
You want uh I go to bed at
At what time,
I
my dear?
I go to bed at 12.
Hmm?
I go to bed at 12 o'clock.
2 o'clock?
O'clock.
I go to bed at
I go to bed at 1 a.m.
all right. Very good, my dear. Good job. Okay, how about number 3? Do you get up late on Sundays?
Yes.
Can you
Yes.
please say yes, I get up late on Sundays. Can you please say? Can you please say? Can you please say I get up. Yeah, wait. Yes, I get up late Sundays. Can you say that again one more time, my dear?
Yes, I wake up late Sundays.
All right. Very good. Yes, I get up late on Sundays. Okay, how about number 4? What is the first thing? What is the first thing that, what is the first thing that you do after waking up? What is your first thing, my dear?
On I pick up I pick up the phone to check the time.
Can you say that again, my dear?
I will pick up the phone to check the time.
To check the time?
Yes.
All right. Can you please, the first thing that I do after waking up is check the time in my cell phone. Can you please read that, my dear, in complete sentence again?
Teacher is
Can you please read, my dear?
the first thing that I do after
Oh, waking up. Waking up in my dear, sorry.
waking I is check the time in my cell phone.
Very good. Good job, my dear. How about number 5? Do you want to take a shower in the morning or in the evening?
Evening.
Can you please say that in complete sentence, my dear? I take a shower in the evening. Can you say that one, my dear? I take a shower in the evening. Can you say that one, my dear?
I take a shower in the evening.
Very good. What do you have for breakfast?
Bread. I
Hmm?
eat bread. I eat bread.
Very good. I eat bread. Can you please say that one, my dear? I eat bread for my breakfast. Can you say that one?
I eat bread for breakfast.
Very good. How about 7? Do you like to drink coffee?
Mm. A little.
Can you say that again? I like drink coffee. I little like drink coffee. Can you say that one, my dear?
A little.
I like to drink.
I like.
Can you
I
please say
like
that?
to drink coffee.
Yes, very good. I like coffee. Very good. How about number 8? Do you clean your teeth before or after breakfast?
Mm.
What is your answer?
Before meals.
Can you say that again in complete sentence, my dear?
Before
I clean my
breakfast.
teeth before what? Before breakfast. Can you please say that again, my dear? I clean my teeth before breakfast.
I clean the teeth before breakfast.
Very good. Good job. Good job, my dear. All right. Okay, my dear. Let's talk about your daily routine. 4 to 6 sentence, my dear. For example, my dear, I usually wake up at 6. Oh, I usually wake up at 6 o'clock, except for Sundays, because it's my day off. The first thing I do after getting up is doing exercise. After that, I have a shower and get dressed. I love having breakfast at home with a cup of coffee and some breads. When I have finished breakfast, I always clean my teeth. Can you please do that, my dear?
Okay.
Okay. Can you please say that one?
I usually wake up at 6 o'clock, except
Okay.
for
My dear,
Sundays.
just wait, my dear. I will, can you please say that about your daily routine, my dear? You have to change this one because you didn't you didn't wake up at 6 o'clock, right?
Mm, no,
All right. Can you please change that into, I guess you wake up at 10 a.m., right?
10 a.m.
Okay. Okay, again, my dear. One more time.
I usually wake up at 10 a.m. The first thing I do, I have a shower and get dressed. I love having breakfast.
Ayush. Again, my dear. Again.
Daily routine. Routine này.
Can you say that again? I usually wake up at 10 a.m. except for Sundays because it's my day off. Again, my dear.
I usually wake up at 10 a.m. except for Sundays because it's my day off.
Yes. Do you have a day off, my dear?
Hmm?
Do you have a day off for your work? Day off, it means you don't have a work in that days, in that Sundays. Can you please change that into because I don't have a school? Again, my dear, I usually wake up at 10 a.m. except for Sunday because I did not go to school. Can you say that one, my dear?
Because Nico,
I did not go to school.
because in my go to school,
Yes, very good. That is your daily routine. How about the first thing I do?
I usually wake up at 10 a.m. except for Sundays because it's go to school
Because I didn't go to school.
because of my
Can you say that one, my dear? Because I did not go to school. Again, my dear. Again. Again, my dear.
I usually wake up 10 a.m. except for Sunday because it's at school.
Yes, very good. Again, ano? Continue, my dear. Continue.
The first thing I do, the first thing I do,
What is your first thing you do, my dear? The first thing I do after getting up is to check my cell phone. What is time? Can you say that one? What is your first thing to do, my dear?
first thing I do after getting up is doing
Hmm?
tired.
Can you please say that again, my dear? Can you say that one? The first thing I do after getting up is check the time. Right? That is your first thing to do. All right.
Okay.
Okay. Again.
The first thing I do after getting up up, check the time.
Yes, very good. After that,
After that,
I have a shower and get dressed.
đó
Continue, my dear.
that I have a shower.
And then, I love having.
I love having breakfast at home with a cup of coffee and breaks
Okay. This one, my dear.
when I have finished breakfast. I will clean my tap.
You're very good. Good job, my dear. Yes, that is how to talk about your daily routine. You have to complete this sentence. All right, my dear?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. My dear, can you please rejoin again to my Zoom? All right? Okay.
Okay.
Okay.